Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Kamalia Nadiro Anjari. I'm from Universitas Bina Sarana Informatika Kampus Pontianak. Student ID number 192420007. Today I'm giving my opinion about smoking in campus area. Hello friends, are you bothered by cigarette smoke like this? The dangers of smoking are not only detrimental to yourself, but also to other people. Even though the BSI Pontianak campus has long banned smoking in campus areas, teaching and learning place must prohibit students, educators, education staff, and all staff from smoking in campus areas. The non-smoking areas on campus include classroom corridors, classroom courtyards, toilet, yards, or other public areas. Did you know that the impact of smoking can trigger diseases including heart, disease lung cancer, and many more? That's why friends, come on, let's stop smoking right now. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next, I will explain about the simple present tense. What is meant by simple present is used in correct to express usual or advice. What does this mean? In presenting the simple present tense, it means the present. Then the simple present tense means simple. It's a form of tense that refers to working the pipe. When is present simple used? The present tense is discrete when the term can see from advance or generally there is nothing wrong. That is a correlation. Simple present tense is also used in type so conditional sentence and type non-conditional sentence, which are the simple future tense. In terms of verbs, one tense is completed in Indonesia. We often use this tense in everyday life. Before thinking, it's better if we remember the structure of a sentence. So, we can say a sentence if it consists of the following three things: a subject, then predicate, complement atau complementary. However, there are only two things that are required, namely the subject and the predicate. So, if you remember, come on, let's move on to the explanation of formula and examples. Simple present tense formula. Have you read the article about types of sentence? If so, of course, you understand a sentence can be verbal or nominal. So what is called a predicate is not always a verb. What is the simple present tense formula? In general, the simple present tense formula is subject plus verb 1 plus complement for positive sentence with verbal patterns. If the pattern is nominal, then the present tense formula becomes subject plus auxiliary verb to be complement. Nominal simple present tense. How do you make simple present tense? The following is a simple present tense formula that you can use: subject to be complement, subject to be not complement, To be, subject, complement. Examples of simple present tense with nominal sentence patterns. I am an international I am an international school student. She is not an international school student. Is she an international school student? Verbal simple present tense. The formula plus, minus, and question mark of the simple present tense of verbal pattern is plus subject, verb 1, plus s, plus complement. Minus subject, do, does not, verb 1, complement. And question mark, do, does, subject, and complement. In accordance with the previous discussion, in verbal sentence, you do not need to add to be after the subject because the text as the predicate is the verb. Positive, affirmative, simple present tense. Just like nominals, verbal sentence also have a positive form as we discussed at the beginning. Examples of simple present tense. I live in Jakarta. He lives in Jakarta. Negative simple present tense. So, especially for negative sentence and interrogative sentence, use do, does, or do not, don't, and does not, doesn't. Example, I don't live in Bandung. She doesn't live in Bandung. Common, why doesn't it live? How common it doesn't live? Yep, because the word doesn't includes the addition, so there's no need to add more to the verb section. Different question and interrogative. In the interrogative sentence pattern, it is separated into two parts, namely yes or no question. Do I work? Does he work? In accordance with the name of the type, namely yes or no question, so you only need to answer the question above with yes, I do. Yes, he does. What are examples of simple present tense? Positive sentence. 1. She wants to be a doctor. 2. Calls it Grace. 3. They speak English at the office. 4. He likes banana. 5. They play basketball every morning. Negative sentence. 1. They don't have any money. 2. Lala doesn't see Peter in the class. 3. My best friend doesn't love you. 4. You don't listen to me. 5. California is not in the United Kingdom. Interrogative sentence and question sentence. 1. Do they talk a lot? 2. Does he play tennis? 3. Does your father drink coffee? 4. Where does she have lunch? 5. Does he ride the motorbike? Time words or adverb of time, aka adverb of time in simple present tense. The adverb of time that we will discuss has another term, namely adverb of frequency. Actually, time words are not always present in every simple present tense sentence. However, the sentences that use time words below are definitely included in the simple present tense. Here's a list that you should note down. What are the characteristics of simple present tense sentence? After summarizing the previous explanation, here are some characteristics of the present tense. 1. Use verb in the basic form or infinite or nouns in irregular verbs. Example, I play soccer every weekend. Play is a verb in the base form. 2. Use auxiliary verbs, namely do or does, for verbal sentence in negative and interrogative form. Example, she don't eat meat. Does not auxiliary word in negative form for the subject she. Do you like chocolate? Do. Auxiliary word for question with the subject you. 3. In the present tense, there are usually adverbs of time such always, usually, often, rarely, never, every day, week, month, and year. Example, always drink coffee in the morning. Fun, function and use of simple present tense. A part of expressing facts. When can we use the simple present tense in a sentence? The answer is in the image below. 1. General truth or generalization or facts explaining certain fact. The earth revolves around the sun. 2. Habitual or daily activities, aka repeated action, revealing something that always happens over and over. We go to school by bus every morning. 3. Express feelings and emotion, expressing emotion and feelings. I'm sad to hear you bad news. I am sad to hear bad news from you. Emotion. I'm always grateful because I have a great best friend. I am always grateful for having a good friend. For the scheduled, even in the near future or familiar with future condition, discussing even in the near future. The train departs at future condition, discussing events in the near future. The train departs at 8 o'clock. The train will leave at 8 a.m. 5. Command or instruction, giving orders or instruction, draw pattern or use fingerprint to unlock. Draw a pattern or use fingerprint to unlock. Pour the juice into the cup. Pour the juice into a cup. So present tense pattern. Tense are part of basic grammar. When studying tense, we will come across the terms first person singular, plural, second person singular, plural, and third person singular, plural. Actually, what constitutes first person, second person, and third person? First person singular. First person singular is the first person point of view. In this case, referring to the speaker or writer. In the person singular, the pronoun used is I. If oneself is the subject, using me, my, mine. If oneself is the object and show ownership. The situation that usually occurs when you see the first singular is when you want to introduce yourself or want to explain. For example, it, it is the subject. Next, I is first solo nouns used for first person plural are we, if it is as it is object and for ours it is shows ownership. However, I and were and are so know to have back often around the sectors is a way of you a second or one or talking to at the time. Pronoun used is second person singular. You it as a subject, your or your. If to the ownership is like we, our, ours, you, your, yours. Also means you singular, up, you plural. The way to find out is to understand the context of what is being discussed. Example sentence as subject, you are the best student in this class. And thank you.